If you don't feel like, if you don't think it's safe for you to drive in some type of weather, just don't drive, okay? Just don't drive. Because guess what? If the load is late, whatever you got,
turn at the first left onto I-70 towards Salina.
those things can be those things are replaceable, but your life is not. Okay? So we gotta turn here. Slow down, Chuck. Make sure we don't fall in that big old hole. Alright. There you go. Right now it's not that bad at all. So the plan for today is to drive 600 miles, okay? 600 miles. So when I already look for a pilot. In my 600 miles, in my 600 miles range, I saw that pilot is in St. Louis. So that means I got a big chance tonight to spend the night in St. Louis. Okay, so that's where I'm gonna be, you know, sleeping at. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated. I'm gonna try not to make my videos too long. So right now I'm in Kansas. Whenever I get to the next state, I'm gonna let you guys know, and then